Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. I am your Tanvi teacher from Toddledom School. So children, in our last video, we learned about one shape. Teacher introduced to you all one shape, right? Yes. So can you all name that shape? Yes, it was a circle shape. So here the circle is. We learned about this shape, right? This is a circle shape, right? Yes. So now today teacher is going to introduce one new shape to you all. Do you all know which shape it is? No? Okay. So children, today we are going to learn about rectangle shape. And do you all know how the rectangle looks like? No? Okay. So here the rectangle come. See? This is how the rectangle looks like. This is a rectangle shape. So children, this is a rectangle shape. Now, do you know how many sides do the rectangle have? Come on, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle have 4 sides. Now children, do you know how many corners do rectangle have? No? Okay. What do you mean by corner, children? These are called the corners. Okay. So now let us count how many corners do rectangle have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle have 4 corners, 4 sides and 4 corners. Rectangle have 4 sides and 4 corners. So now children, do all the sides of rectangle are equal in shape like a square? No. Can you see all the sides are equal? No. This side is bigger than this side. This side is bigger than this side, right? Yes. So these are the bigger sides and these are the smaller sides. So all the sides of the rectangle are not equal. Opposite sides are equal. What do you mean by opposite sides? Can you see here this side is bigger and also the opposite side, this side is bigger. Opposite sides are bigger. Now this side is smaller and opposite of that this side is also smaller. So opposite sides are equal. Okay. So children, what can you all see here? Yes, this is a compass box. Now, can you all tell me the shape of this compass box? See, it has 4 sides, 4 corners and opposite sides are equal. These 2 sides are bigger and these 2 sides are smaller. So, which shape does this compass box have? It is rectangle in shape. Yes, very good. Now children, what I have inside the compass box? Let us see. See, I have one scale, one eraser and one sharpener. Now can you all tell me the shape of this sharpener? It is also rectangle in shape. Can you tell me the eraser, the shape of this eraser? See, it is also rectangle in shape. Now, can you tell me the shape of this scale? Yes, even the scale is rectangle in shape. See, this side and this side of the scale is bigger. And this side of the scale is smaller in size. Right? So, scale is also rectangle in shape. Now see children, what do I have here? Yes, this is a color box. And what is the shape of this color box? See, 4 sides, 4 corners, and this side are equal, bigger inside, and this side are smaller. So the shape of this color box is also rectangle in shape. Now children, I will show you few more objects which are rectangle in shape. So come along with me, have a look. So children, what is this? Yes, it's a mobile phone. Nowadays you all are using mobile phones for your studies, right? Yes. So can you tell me the shape of the mobile phone? Yes, the mobile phone is rectangle in shape. Now what comes next? It's a AC, air conditioner. And can you tell me the shape of this? Yes, it is also rectangle in shape. Now next comes the refrigerator. Children, this is refrigerator, and refrigerator is also rectangle in shape. Now let us see what comes next. Oh yes, this you all can see in your parents' wallet or purses, right? Yes, it's a money. And what is the shape of this money? It is also rectangle in shape. Now you all know what is this. Yes, it's a table. And what is the shape of the table? Table is also rectangle in shape. Now what comes next? Oh, it's a tiffin. You all carry this tiffin while going to the school, right? Yes. So children, can you tell me the shape of this tiffin? Yes, tiffin is also rectangle in shape. Now what comes here? Yes, it's a book. And tell me the shape of this book. The shape of this book is also rectangle. The book is rectangle in shape. Okay children, so now we learned about rectangle shape, right? Yes, so now children, teacher is going to give you many shape, and out of that you only have to color rectangle shape. Let me see whether you all can recognize rectangle shape or no. Yes, so let us start. So children, what can you all see here? Can you see the different shapes over here? Yes. So come on now, name these shapes. I can see circle, triangle, square and a rectangle. So children, what you all have to do here is, you only have to recognize and color rectangle shape. Okay, so let us start. So here it is. Now can you see the another rectangle? Oh yes, I can see the another rectangle on the top of my right hand side. And here I can see one more rectangle on the top of my left hand side. Now can you find another rectangle here? No, but I can see one more rectangle here. Can you see the big rectangle here? Yes, so now come, let's color this. Now can you see some more rectangles? No, we have colored all the rectangles here. So children, do you all wanted to learn how to make rectangle shape with the help of craft paper? Yes? Okay, so here now I am going to show you the folding of rectangle, how to make rectangle with the help of craft paper. So be ready with your craft paper. So children, are you all ready with the craft paper? Now see how to fold. Fold it upward side in 2 equal parts to make a rectangle. And then press it properly, nicely. See it again, how teacher has fold upward side in 2 equal part and press it nicely. And here our rectangle is ready with 4 sides and 4 corners. I hope children, you all have enjoyed learning rectangle shape today. Practice this folding at your home and keep learning. Now, that's all for today. We will meet soon in our next video. Till then, stay in, stay safe. Bye.